Do you want to know how you can log into your ADP Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your ADP Payroll account. Go ahead and search for ADP Payroll on your browser. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page, which is the login page. If you scroll a bit down, you can see Payroll. Go ahead and click on Payroll, which is over here. Now click on ADP Payroll, which is the first one, and then it will take you to this page. Now what you need to do is write down your user ID or your email address on this box. After you write down your email ID, you can also click Remember My User ID and go ahead and click Next. Now the next step is to write down your password. Go ahead and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password once again. Then, the next step is to click Sign In and then you're good to go. This is how you sign in or log into your ADP Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.